Got T-Rex. Very nice. Oh, and then there's the Texas Terry with the special Texas. That's cool. Chevrolet. That's an interesting one by Revell. That's cool.
Hamlin hat to run over.
Hamlin hat?
To run over.
Oh, that's interesting. And then there's, now this is cool. So this is, if I can get him, a model kit for, this should be Morgan Shepherd in the 83 wings, I believe, if I remember correctly. I always like that paint scheme, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Oldsmobile too. That's pretty. I like that one. Back. Very, very pretty. So what's over here? Denny Hamlin hat to run over?
Denny Hamlin hat. You could.
Ooh.
I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Oh. Oh yeah, do a burnout on top of it. I also got the old stickers because they were practicing. They were practicing, so they probably didn't take it up yet. Nice. Number 25 there. Ooh, number 38 pedigree car. That's cool. Ooh, old Tabasco stock rod.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that is pretty. Oh, what car is that? Oh, 69 Pontiac GTO.
Yeah,
oh, that's pretty. That is very, very pretty. Ooh, get an old Mustang, I think. Yep. That's pretty. Like that. That's very pretty.
Style of colors in the 90s before they became those massive things.
Yeah. A lot shorter. A lot easier to pop. It's probably a lot easier to pop back then.
It wasn't officially sponsored by a brand.
Well, it was sponsored by a franchisee, which worked out really, really good for him. Didn't last too long, but still pretty neat nonetheless. Oh, got Tasmanian Devil and that was always funny. Oh, got the, I forget what that scheme's called, but oh, Iron Man, I think.
Oh yeah, of course.
That's cool. Oop, got some of the Daytonas and Plymouths. Always neat to see. Old truck. Oop, Skittles. What are you? I believe this is a Skittles Firebird. That is a Skittles Firebird.
Oh, cool.
That's neat. That's cool. Very, very nice. Old Dodge number 19. 36 GNC Hank Parker. Ooh, another stock rod as well. That one's cool. That's about all we do. Do a cow bush. That's cool. Ooh, now that's neat. The ability of Dodge, number 9. Hard to find some of the Dodges, so that's cool. Ooh, Ryan Blaney in the 21 there. That's pretty neat. And Team Caliber as well. I think I see an IROC. 2003. Not sure who you are. Well, that's cool. Need to see those. Number 3 Corvette there as well. Really, really cool. Then we got all these, which are neat collections, and we got all of these right here, which those are just cool to see. Also, what's this scale? 1/18th. That's a cool scale. Then we got another. Ooh, this is the bigger one of Schrader's 66 Pontiac. That's cool. And then Jimmy Johnson's 55 Chevy. Gasser almost. That's cool. Look at that. It's got the ram air hood and everything. That is cool. 100 for that. I've never seen one of those. That's decently priced. Ooh, some of these are signed. Over here. Oh, wait a minute. This is. Oh, there you go. Old Bill Elliott and signed as well. That's pretty neat. That's some cool cars there. Oh, there we go. Bobby Lamonti. See that?
I'm wondering if Todd had this jacket.
Might have.
Because I feel like he had a Terry Lamonti jacket.
I'm not sure where, yeah.
That's small.
That's pretty cool. What size is it?
Medium.
Oop, Office Depot. So this is Tony Stewart in the 14. Nice. Yeah, Old Office Depot and Old Spice.
Oh, yeah.
Tony Stewart. Got Motorcraft. These are cool. Oh, Matco Tools. I don't remember that one. Oh, Top Dragster, that's why. Oh, Tony Stewart Polo. Or Team Polo.
There's a Intimidator jacket.
Mm-hmm. Move a little bit to the side there. Oh, that's nice.
It's got 7-time champs across the front. Pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool. Ooh, Tide. Fancy Cup Series. Oh, it's XPs. Oh, that one. It's Truck Series, right?
Yeah, yeah.
That one has a history.
The Champion World Truck Series.
That one has a history.
Is XP's one? Oh, you'll have to tell me the history later.
Oh, yes. Anyone who's in the know in the video, they know exactly what that is. That one's pretty interesting. But also, that is a cool logo, though. Zaxby's logo. That's always cool. Ooh, Lucas Oil. Lucas Oil who? I don't know, but that's cool. Let's see. Anybody else of interest? Ooh, that is an interesting Terry. Excuse me. Pardon me. That is an interesting looking Terry.
It's got a key too. It's a bank.
Oh, that's cool. Diecast banks.
Yeah,
that's neat.
those are so cool. There's a ton of those.
That's cool. So this one's pretty weathered there, but see, that's when they actually use paint instead of the vinyl stuff.
And did you see
So and if you take care of these guys, this will last a really long time. Yes, I do. Yes, I do have. Yep, do have that in the collection. Correct. Ooh, number 5 Schrader. That's cool. Here's the Dodge here. All-Star Game. Office Depot. Oh, that's yep, Carl Edwards Office Depot and Scott's car. That's neat. The StockRodz, those are just so cool to see. Love that. Ooh, hello. Team, there you go. Oh, Team Penske parlor. That's cool. But we got the Petty Enterprises Trio set.
Cool.
That's cool. That's interesting. NFL field on the back of the truck. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Oh, interesting.
50th anniversary.
That's interesting. Anybody interested down there? Jack's Sprague. Oh, there we go. Nesquik. That's pretty cool. Like that one. Ford Taurus. That's a cool one. Oh, and it's Hot Wheels too. Hot Wheels loose in the box, but still, that's neat to see. Nice. Step back. There we go. And what scale? Oh, 143 Revell. That's cool scale. That's a nice scale. Neat. Very, very cool.